Welcome to a whirlwind of wild, wholly wrong history. First, imagine this. The Great Wall of China, visible from space? Nope, it's just too thin. Next, think Napoleon was short? Not so. He was actually average height for his time. Now picture Vikings. Got horned helmets in mind? Scrap that image. They never wore them. Ever heard that Einstein failed math? Utterly untrue. He was a math whiz. And finally, consider the Dark Ages. Were they really so dark? Not exactly. There was plenty of scientific advancement and cultural development. So there you have it, a rapid rundown of ridiculously incorrect historical facts. Remember, history isn't always as it's been told. Loop back in a minute for more myth-busting madness.